How to use timeline markers in Kdenlive. First of all, open your project in Kdenlive and navigate to the timeline where you want to add a marker. Next, move the playhead to the exact position on the timeline where you want to place the marker. To add a marker, press the numlock plus asterisk key on your keyboard or right click on the timeline and select Add Marker. You can then name your marker to easily identify it later, which is helpful when you have multiple markers. Markers can be used to note key scenes, syncing points, or important edits you want to return to. To jump between markers quickly, use the Alt plus left arrow or Alt plus right arrow to move the previous or next marker. You can also delete the marker by right-clicking it and selecting Delete Marker or choose Delete All Markers to remove all markers at once. Using timeline markers keep your project organized and speeds up your editing process, especially for longer videos. And that's it. Now you know how to use timeline markers in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.